Great. So after you've integrated both GitHub and Jira, now all you need to do is get Bismuth assigned to a ticket. It's super easy to do, and after you assign Bismuth, it'll pick up the work and generate a PR, all with your hands off. So all you have to do is go to a specific ticket. In this case, I just went to our demo, the backlog of it, and one of these tickets here. All this ticket does is migrate the compression scheme in the Stratus web app to use the LZMA compression scheme instead. So to assign Bismuth, all you do is go to Apps on your ticket, click Bismuth, and then if everything's good, you'll be able to choose a repository down here. And then you just click Assign to Bismuth. And what you'll see is Bismuth starts to pick up the work, mark the ticket in progress, and now its current status is looking for the code in the repository. Cool, so quickly you can see that it's editing specific files in the code base to accommodate the new LZMA compression. As the ticket finishes up, you'll start seeing a summary in the ticket itself for all the work that Bismuth's done. I'll circle back when that happens. Okay, cool. I'm back. So Bismuth opened a PR here for the problem and solution, and then on the ticket itself, it's listed a summary of all the actions that it's taken. So it's replaced zlib with LZMA in the Mongo backend, added backward compatibility for handling decompression, and fixed variable naming issues in the Azure table implementation. So it observes that there's potential data migration risk due to compression format change, recommends adding some additional code, compatibility considerations, existing compressed data might cause decompression errors, shouldn't be a problem with the decompression fallback that it added. It gave some implementation notes about the type of things that it did, and it talked about its migration strategy. So let's go ahead and open the pull request. Cool. So we can see here, refactor, migrate compression from zlib to LZMA with backward compatibility. All the things we just talked about in terms of how it replaced the imports and the files. And now I can go ahead and show the code. Cool. So it replaced the documentation around the LZMA compression. It imported LZMA, kept zlib for backward compatibility. Tried doing LZMA decompression. If it raised an error, then it goes ahead and uses zlib for decompression for the fallback. That's all very good and very nice. Moves to using the LZA compression itself when doing message compression, and looks like it does this in a few places. Cool. That all looks very good and very clean. Okay. So this is how Bismuth can take tickets in your backlog, whether they be bugs or features, and produce a pull request that developers can then take at the handoff and push to production after verifying everything is good. Super excited to see people try this. Thank you.